Hello, excuse me, sir. Could you please help me for a moment?
Of course, how may I help you?
Actually, sir, I'm trying to find an institute named English Fantasy. Do you know this institute?
Oh, English Fantasy. Yes, I know that institute. Oh, where are you coming from?
Actually, sir, I'm coming from Meherpur. I just got up the bus near the market. But I couldn't understand the direction properly.
Actually, I see you are not very far from institution.
Oh, glad to hear that, sir. Could you please tell me how may I go there?
Sure. Go straight 5 minutes, then move now left 2 minutes, then you will see your destination.
Okay, sir. At first, go straight 5 minutes, then go right 2 minutes, and I will find my destination. Am I right, sir?
Yes. By the way, why are you going there?
Because, sir, I want to learn English. That's why I go there.
But why did you choose this institution?
Because for learning English, I need a great environment. I think English Fantasy has a great environment and their rules and regulation is very strict. I think this is the better place for me to learning English. That's why I choose this institute.
Nice to hear that, sir.
Okay, sir.
Best of luck.
Have a nice day, sir.